Welcome to this easy step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, you'll learn how to move app icons on your phone, organize your home screen faster, and create a cleaner layout using simple methods that anyone can follow. First, let's add apps from the app drawer to your home screen. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app drawer where all your installed apps are stored. Find the app you want, then press and hold its icon. On many devices, you will see an Add to Home option. Tap it and the app will appear on your home screen automatically. You can also continue holding the icon and drag it directly to the home screen, placing it exactly where you want. Next, let's move multiple app icons at once. Press and hold an app icon until the editing options appear, then tap Select if your phone supports this feature. Tap the checkboxes on the other apps you want to move. Once selected, press and hold one of the chosen icons to group them into a stack. Swipe to the home screen page where you want them and release your finger. This is a great time-saving feature when reorganizing several apps. Finally, moving a single app icon is even easier. Press and hold the app icon on your home screen until it lifts from its position. Without lifting your finger, drag it to a new location. To move it to another home screen page, drag it to the left or right edge until the page changes. Release your finger to drop the app into its new position. We appreciate you watching this guide. Keep exploring new tech tricks with us and don't miss our upcoming tutorials. Take care and goodbye.